So I work for the Secaucus Animal Shelter. Our primary concern is keeping all our animals safe. We have a trap and neuter program within our town, which means we have a lot of feral cats. What we do is we trap them, we neuter them, and we re-release them. And that allows us to keep our cat population down. And we keep the kittens to adopt out. We do have quite an adoption process. We make sure our kittens and puppies go to very safe homes and responsible people. And we actually work with a rescue group that's based out of Louisiana. What they do is they go around to kill shelters, unfortunately, and they will collect puppies, and since we are a low kill shelter and we have the room and time, we will adopt our puppies out. And again, we have an adoption process. We make sure everybody is going to be responsible pet owner and take very good care of all our animals, and as you can see, they're all very loving. Socializing is one of the most important things. Part of our job is finding them great homes, and while they are with us, being as comfortable as they possibly can be.